Hi, welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching the video. Today we are going to make a clock app. In this clock app, we have only one page. In this one page, we will be able to see the date and we will be able to see the time or the current time. And the third option will be we will be able to see if it's morning, evening, and afternoon using welcome message. Yeah. So I'm gonna do live test to show you as an example. When I do web preview, this will be our application look like. In here we can see the date of the year, month, and day, and then we will be able to see the time if it's PM or AM. So right now it's 10 PM and this will be the message good evening, and the picture also will be changed to the evening picture. Okay, we will have these options, and this is the brand name, our name of the application, clock q. Okay, so this was the example. Let's continue. We make our own application. Yeah, I'm gonna go here and I will click on create new app. In here I'm gonna type clock app. After typing the clock app, I'm gonna select the uh, category lifestyle, and we can say productivity, and I'm gonna click on create. This will help us bring to our main page. Okay, now we are in our design or UI page. In here we can see that we have one screen which is empty, and at the left side we have components, at the right side we have the property of each component. Okay, this is ready. First, what I need to do is I need to give a background color to my screen, which will be home screen. So from the property I can give a background color. I'm clicking on the background property. Once I click on the background property, in here I can fill the color. What color do I want? For example, for this page I would like to have this color, so I'm choosing this kind of color. And after selecting the color, what I will need in here, I need a label component. Label component help us to display text, so we can display text using label component. Okay, so I'm going to drag the label component. I will drop it in here. After dropping it, I'm going to change the text. I will type the name of our title of our app. I'm going to type clock app. Clock app. After typing the clock app, I'm going to make it bold and I'm going to make it italic. I can increase the font size 20, and I can select the text align to center. After selecting this, I'm going to drag this one in here. Okay, so the clock app or the title is done. I can rename it to title. So this label will be as a title. Okay, after having the title label, what we're going to do, we are going to add another label. In this label, we are going to show our date of our, we can say the month, year, and so on other. I would like to change the text color to white, so we can have all of them white colors. This one also white color. Okay, so the texts will be white color. This one I can type date for now. I will type date. Okay, and the label I can change this one to date also. So it will help me for the coding while I'm doing code, so it can help me to find it out easier. I'm going to change this one to center. I can make it bolder and I can increase size to 20 at least. Okay, so this will be our date label. The date label is done. I will need another label which will be helping me to do what? To show me the time. What time is it right now, and so on other. The same process. I'm going to change the color to white. From the property, I'm going to make it bold and I'm going to increase the size to 22. So it can be the same. I'm going to select the text align center. The text I will change to current time. Current time. And the label also, I'm going to change the name, so it can help me while doing code. Okay, the label, two of them already. What I will need is I need one more label. That will be our welcome message, which will show us if it's good. If it's morning, he will say good morning. If it's evening, he will say evening. If it's afternoon, it will say good afternoon. So I'm going to resize this one. We'll change the color to white, and I'm going to change the text. You can say welcome label. Welcome label. Okay, I'm going to change the name also. Welcome label. Welcome. I will increase the text size to 22, as same as the others, and I can make it bolder also, so it will be all the same. And what else do I need in here? In front of the welcome label, I will need one image which can be helped also for the welcome message. So if it's a good morning message, the image will be the morning image. If it's afternoon, it will show the afternoon image, and so on other. So in here I uploaded the image. I can change its name to welcome image. Okay, and I need photos in here. I need at least three to two photos for the morning and afternoon. I'm gonna download it from the internet. My Thunkable app. In here, I need to upload my files. For uploading file, I just need to drag them and drop them in here. One has been uploaded. The second one also uploaded, and the last one. Okay. Now the images, all of them uploaded. I just need to select one of them. Let's say for the first one, I select the first one. So this one is the morning one. Right now he selected the morning one. It's showing me the morning. Later through coding, I can change it to the evening. So the design almost done. I need one more, which will be the brand of our app. The brand name will be Clock Q, yeah. Clock Q. I can make it bold, italic, increase the size, 25, and I can change the text color to white. Okay, so this will be our brand name. Okay, so we are done with our project. Sorry, with the design. And let's do the code. Yeah, we're going to do the code for this one. I'm going to go to the blocks. In the block, first code I'm going to start to do for the date. So what I will do is in here I will tell the screen that when the screen is open or when the application has been opened. So what will happen? I'm going to call the date first, date label. I will set the date label using text join. I will join the text. In here, this can help us to connect more information using join block. I'm going to add one more block, so it can be 5 blocks. I will click on the gear button to close it. I will need in here and so on. So the first, I will go to the device. From device, I can take current hour, current time, current year, current month, and day of the month. So I will start from the day of the month. I will show the day of the month, and I'm going to show the column. I will duplicate this one, connect in here. I'm going to change this one to month, and the same process, space column. And the last one will be the year. So we are going to show day of the month, year, month and year. Okay, so this one is done. I'm going to show with the live test. For the date, we are done. Yeah, you see we are able to see the date. It was pretty simple. I'm going to move on to the current time. We are going to work for the current time. Yeah? So for the current time, I will do the same coding here, but will be differences. I'm going to duplicate this one to save our time. I will change this one to time, and this one will be changed to the first one. We show the seconds, or we can say the hour. After the hour, I will show the minutes, and after the minutes, I'm going to show the second. Okay, and this one will show the hour, minute, and second, but it will not move on. It will not work. Why? Because we didn't use any timer. So for making the current time to move and continue the seconds, so for that one we need to do what? We need to open, or we need to use one timer. I'm going to click on the plus sign of the timer. I will add a timer. I will use loop and enable. I submit. So the timer 1 is available. In here, I will call the timer 1 when the timer 1 has been started. Okay, before that, I need to start the timer. We tell him when the green flag is clicked, start the timer 1, and then do this. Now, after that, I will do the code in here. I will tell him when the timer 1 is done. So do this and show us the result. So let's see now. Our seconds will be working. The second of our date or the time is working. He's moving on 30 seconds, 31 seconds, and so on. Okay, we are done with this one. The thing is left, the last one is welcome label. How we can show our welcome label, and the code will be pretty simple. We just need to do what? In the same area, we will use if condition. we can use else condition. We will be using AND operator. In the AND operator, we can use logics. We use less than and greater than. Okay, if less than and if it's greater than, we go to logic. Okay, greater than what? What is greater than and what is less than? I'm going to talk about the current hour. If the current hour is greater than how much and less than how much, I'm going to use number. I will go to mathematics, math. In the math, I will take the number. I'm going to repeat it. I will use it here also. So if it's greater than how much? Let's say if it's greater than 1 and less than 12. So what will happen? We tell him to call our welcome label and show in the welcome label that it's morning. Okay, we call our label and in here we're going to type good morning. Okay, so this will be the morning label. The label is done. We're going to call the welcome image also. We tell the welcome image to show us the morning image. So for the morning image, if I'm not mistaken, we are using download 5 JFF. So I will call the morning image to show the picture of welcome J5. Yeah, I'll change this one to this. Okay, so this one for the morning, if the hour is more greater than 1 and less than 24, less than 12, so it will be morning. Now I'm going to give another condition. I will use this one, else condition. Okay, let me finish this one. If we need it, we can add more also. So I'm going to take this one. Now I'm going to give condition if it's greater than 12 and less than how much? Let's say less than 16, yeah, or 17. 17 means 5 p.m. yeah. So what will happen? We call our message again. In here we call our message image also. The message, welcome message, will be changed to the from good morning to good afternoon. Good afternoon. And the image should be changed. Let me check what we have the image for afternoon. Is it download 6 or is it, yeah, it's download 6. So I'm gonna go to blog. I will change this one to download 6.png. Okay, the same process. I'm gonna add one more else if condition. Okay, or we can use else also directly, just simple else. We don't need to give any condition. We just tell him if this two, if there is none of these conditions, so it means it will be evening. So we call this one and we type good evening or yeah, night. Let's say evening. Good evening, and the image also will be changed from the download 6 to image 1. Okay, simple. This was all of the code for our conditions, but in here we need to do one more thing. If in case we are counting by 24 hours, so it will be like that. So we need to change our current time using 24 hours, not PM and AM. So for that one, it depends on your laptop. So you can change from your laptop to 24 hours. Right now mine is 10 like AM and PM, so it will not work perfectly. Let me check first. Yeah, it's working. You see, it says good evening. So he traced by himself that it should be 24. So if it's good evening, he shows us the evening picture and he will come us with the evening. Okay, so this was all for our clock first app, or we can say the first screen only. In the clock app, we can add alarm and we can add stopwatch also. So for this video only, we made the clock app of the first page, which is only time, date, and welcome message. In next videos, I'm gonna upload the video for second page, alarm page, and the stopwatch page. Okay, that was all, and we are successfully done with this video or the project. Okay, thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next videos.